Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. Pretty much nothing went on yesterday, just a range bar that was formed, and a pin bar, range bar, and now we're just drifting higher. I don't trust what I'm seeing. It is non-farm payrolls, so this was the level that we are flirting with. We have got a bar that's closed above it going into the close, but with all these tails here, this is barbed wire. And if we just go to the daily, you can see tails to the downside, tails to the downside. It's kind of a range bar, more of an engulfing bar than a range bar, but it's definitely got buyers and sellers coming in through the day. So looking at the 3 hour, we are still sideways. So we had a good start to the week, and then we've just gone sideways. Lots of tails, lots of barbed wire, oscillators all over the place. No indication that we've got a direction. The only thing that is telling us we have an up direction is the moving averages. So this all hinges on what's going to happen with non-farm payrolls. We've got a good set of numbers coming out, then we are probably continuing the move to the upside. If we have a bad set of numbers coming out, we're probably going to come down and at least close this gap, which is wide open at the moment. And for as long as this thing stays open, and we've been going sideways like this, I trust it less and less and less. So just lean back in your chair and have a close look at this, and you'll see this is confusion. Big up, big down, big up, big down, above and below the moving averages. Yesterday, look at all these rejections here. Then all of a sudden we pop up and we go sideways. Doesn't that look like it just wants to trap you? And if you look at the 15 minute, even worse. Above and below the moving averages, lots of tails here. Just to get all the people out, so people would have been jumping in, seen this big bar, look for the pullback, jump in, start dropping, get out, dump all my contracts, and then it just drifts higher. So yeah, I honestly just wait this one out. Hopefully something happens today that indicates that just gives some confidence in the market, or it just reinforces the fear that's in the market, and we start moving up or down. So that's what we're looking for. We don't really care which way it goes, as long as it moves in a direction where I can capitalize and make a little bit of money. So that's kind of my view for today, short and sweet. We'll come back on Monday and have a look at this. I'm not going to bother today. We'll see if non-farm payrolls is the catalyst we need, or if we are waiting for something more. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.